have a new section called Subtitle Editor where we can create or edit subtitles. Clicking on Add Subtitle allows us to create a subtitle, each having a selection box, an identification number, the time it appears and disappears on screen, and a character per line indicator. It updates in real time as we complete the text. We can insert symbols, split a subtitle where the cursor is positioned, merge adjacent subtitles, or delete subtitles by clicking on the trash can icon. Uploading a subtitle file is possible by clicking on Upload Subtitle, selecting the file, and clicking Open. For reference, a video can be added by clicking on Select a Video File, choosing the file, and clicking Open. To synchronize subtitles with the video, click Refresh. Clicking on any subtitle automatically positions the video when it should appear. Furthermore, we can navigate to a specific moment in the video, press play, or stop to define the time it should appear or disappear on the screen. Once the subtitle is ready, it can be downloaded as SRT or VTT by clicking on either button. Lastly, there is a button at the top that allows changing the writing direction from left to right or right to left. udltool.com